Taking advantage of economies of scale in the clouds, multiple organizational units in enterprises share a common set of cloud resources and services. When the finance department wants to do a chargeback or shareback of the cloud costs segregated by organizational units, these shared costs need to be accounted for. Shared domains in Aquila Cloud's FinOps platform are a special category of financial domain that can be used for allocation of shared costs across multiple organizational units. In FinOps, each organizational unit is represented by one regular financial domain. As such, portions of regular domains can be assigned to multiple shared domains for shared cost allocation. After the shared domain is created, you can allocate portions of it to other financial domains by specifying the apportionment percentage. In FinOps, a shared domain can be created on the basis of user accounts, tags, container services, cloud-native services or select resources, just like a regular financial domain. This will display the cost of the resources associated with tags, accounts, services depending on what basis the shared domain has been created. To create a shared domain, we start by clicking the Add button. This will take us to the Add New Financial Domain page where we can fill customized values into attributes. Then enable the Shared Domain Radio button. We can define the budget, reset period, and time range for the shared domain. To create domains on any of these bases of accounts, tags, resources, containers or services, navigate to any of these tabs and click Add. Here we are creating a shared domain on the basis accounts. Select the desired resources for the shared domain and confirm. Newly created shared domain can be seen on the details table. Now, to create a regular financial domain on the basis of this newly created shared domain, again, go to Add a New Financial Domain page and put in the desired values and include or exclude attributes. Then under the Managed Resources, navigate to the shared domain and click Add to see all the existing shared domains. Choose a shared domain from which you want to allocate costs to a new financial domain. We can also add desired resources, tags, accounts present under Managed Resources to this financial domain. Specify the percentage of cost you want to allocate to the financial domain from the shared domain and confirm. The newly created financial domain will be displayed on the details table with allocated cost from the shared domain. Now we can see the financial domain and shared domain on the details table of the financial domain page.